Filipino martial arts, what we do is we either try to strip it away by actively pulling on the thumb or pulling on the fingers and or bending the wrist. And it really doesn't matter to us what's in your hand. It can be this, it can be a hammer, it can be a wrench, it can be anything in all reality, because that's how we grab. So if you're able to grab someone and you're able to pull on the thumb and push against the blade in some way, shape, or form, that is one form of disarming. But the easiest one to do, the safest one to do, would be to, if someone is lunging at you, slap the hand and try to hit the hand either with your fist or your elbow. So if someone comes in this direction, right, you better step off the side and slap that hand and try to hit it, okay? There's many different types of disarms. No, we can grab you, we can disarm it on you, we can disarm it on our body, we can grab it and take it from you and strip it and use it ourselves. You can take those concepts, but you have to practice it to make sure that you know it. Don't just listen to this video, read a book, and think you can do it, okay? It's kind of like swimming. You don't just read a book about swimming and watch videos on swimming and think you can swim. You actually have to implement it and practice it until you know you can do it.